When I came across this book in a old bookstore, I was drawn to the cover first of all because it was one of the older journals from the Society for Psychical Research, and the chapter that actually caught my attention was the measurement of hypnosis and auto-hypnosis by determination of electrical skin resistance. In the first few pages of this article, I was to discover the rich tapestry and history that had followed this field of research. If the patient remained unhypnotized and alert, both sites gave normal rising curves, but as hypnosis commenced, the palm-to-palm current began to fall. Now, when voltage remains constant and resistance increases, the current in a circuit will reduce. These test results would indicate that, whilst in a hypnotic state, the skin resistance would increase at an accelerated rate when compared with the increase in resistance in the waking state. In results that were reproduced throughout the article by different experimenters, the skin resistance would follow what is called an Ibex curve, a natural increase in resistance over time, both in the waking state and in the hypnotic state. However, the experiments showed that this would increase dramatically, the skin resistance would increase dramatically whilst in the hypnotic state. And I quote, "These results strongly suggest that in hypnosis, as in sleep, and in deep waking relaxation, the electrical skin resistance is inversely proportional to the level of arousal." I tried to interpret the inferred method of testing in the article and adapt it to present-day technology, things that we now have access to that we can purchase over the counter or off of eBay. From previous experiments, we understand that as an individual goes into the hypnotic or trance state, the electrical skin resistance will increase. Now, looking at the passive or the control state where I do nothing, we can see that some units below it, a more active brain, or when I'm doing the video game, I'm playing COD and I'm solving problems and there's adrenaline and everything. Moving on to the PK results, if we are to consider that a video game problem solving state will initiate a drop, or a more active mind will initiate a drop in the electrical skin resistance, looking at the PK results, we can extrapolate on the data and see that quite possibly there is, in fact, a lot more going on than what's on the conscious level. And this is, in fact, registered through electrical skin resistance. My original guess that we would be seeing results similar to the trance or hypnotic state were completely wrong, and even though while doing PK I feel relaxed and I don't feel stressed or that I'm doing anything complex, on a conscious level we can see a physical reaction in my ESR results that indicate or show results beyond the problem solving and activity that the brain requires to play a video game in the PK results. So was there more activity going on in the brain than I had originally thought? Luckily I had a force trainer. It's a toy that's out on the market at the moment that senses EEG signals from the brain. I decided to hook this up and try some PK, try a little bit of stasis field. The results were encouraging.